Hey guys! So starting off the look, I'm going to be doing this eye. I've already done this one off camera just because I wasn't sure what look I was going for yet. I'm going to be going in with the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collaboration palette. And starting off the transition color, we're going to go in with Silk Cream. So on a fluffy brush, I am taking Silk Cream right into that crease from outer to inner corner, using very light pressure. Just gonna keep buffing that into the crease until I build up my desired color. And then I'm gonna be going in with the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm gonna be taking that color called Beats Me a little lower into that crease area right below Silk Cream. I'm going to be again buffing that outer to inner corner. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab the Jaclyn Hill palette again, and I'm going to go ahead and take this color right here called Jax, and I'm going to be placing this on the inner and outer parts of my eye. And I'm going to keep the center a little bare because I'm going to be placing a different color there. So that color Jax from the Jaclyn Hill palette is just going to help add a little bit more definition to the look. I'm going to go back into the Morphe 35B palette and take that Beats Me color and just blend out the edges. Here I'm taking the same brush that I had the color Jax on from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to continue to blend out those edges. Then I'm going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and taking that color called Cran Apple, and I'm going to go ahead and place this in the center of my lid, and I am using my finger. I will go ahead and use a brush afterwards, but I'm just going to start it off using my finger. And again, I'm taking Jax from the Jaclyn Hill palette and blending out the edges. Going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to wet my brush and pick up that Cran Apple shade again and place it on the center of my lid. For lashes, I'm gonna go in with the Kiss Lashes in Sultry and my Duo Lash Glue. Prepping my lashes, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. So the best tip I can give to you guys is if you're struggling with your lashes, to place your mirror in front of you and look downward. This will help give you a better application. You can kind of see what you're doing. And I do use tweezers for the inner part of my eye just to help stick them there. And then I will also use the tweezers to squeeze my real lashes and the falsies together to make them appear a little bit more natural. So moving on to face, I'm going in with my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. And this just helps my foundation set onto my face a little bit more airbrushed, and the hydration is really good. I also have the Mario Badescu facial spray in chamomile and lavender, and I love the two of them. They're $12 and I buy mine from Ulta. You can also get the travel size one for $7. Moving on to concealer, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral, and I'm going to bring this under the eyes as well as the higher points of my face, so the center of my forehead as well as the center of my chin. And then I'm also going to again spray my sponge with my Mario Badescu facial spray and blend it all out. Next, I'm taking my Airspun loose powder foundation, or I'm sorry, loose powder, not foundation. It's just a loose powder. And this is in the shade Naturally Neutral. Guys, this stuff is great. It is a drugstore powder that acts as a high-end powder. I have no flashback with this powder, and it keeps my foundation in place all day. I can't say enough good things about it. I forgot to mention to you guys that this powder is $5, and I bought mine at Walmart, but I'm sure that other drugstores sell them as well. And I do have the Naturally Neutral shade, and Translucent is the other one that I own, and they both have given me no problems with flash photography, and like I said, it makes my makeup last all day long. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX contour and highlight palette, and I'm taking this shade right here, and I'm going to use this palette to contour and warm up my face. Here I'm just going in with a denser brush, and I'm just gonna contour my cheeks. And making sure my nose doesn't get lost, I am also going to contour my nose just a little bit. So using the same shades I used in the crease, I did go ahead and blend that under the lash line as well. Here I'm just adding some black kohl liner to my waterline. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara to my bottom lashes. So to highlight the face, I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette again in that very first shade called Enlight, and I'm going to hit the tops of my cheekbones with that. I did also highlight the tip of my nose, my inner corners, and my brow bone with this shade. And don't mind the pimple, that's right there. Yep, right there. I'm going to take my LA Girl lip liner in this shade Burgundy and just outline my lips. And then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Berry Recognize, and these liquid lipsticks last so long. I have a few of them in my collection and I love them. So this is the completed look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching and learned something from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.